Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya. Today's lesson is titled Convolutional Neural Networks, CNNs, Image Recognition and Object Detection. Imagine you're looking at a picture. Your brain doesn't process the entire image at once. It scans it piece by piece. CNNs work similarly. They use filters to scan images, finding patterns like edges, corners, and textures. Think of it like a detective examining clues in a crime scene, one small area at a time. These filters are small matrices of numbers. They slide across the image, multiplying their numbers with the corresponding pixel values. The result tells us how much that pattern, like a vertical edge, is present in that area. We can design different filters to detect various features. After filtering, we pull the results. This is like summarizing the detective's notes from each area. It reduces the size of the data, making the process faster and preventing overfitting, where the model memorizes the training data instead of learning general patterns. CNNs have multiple layers. The early layers detect simple features, edges, and later layers combine these to find more complex features, like eyes or noses. Think of it as a team of detectives, with each one specializing in a different type of clue. Once the CNN has processed the image, the final layer decides what it is. For example, it might classify an image as cat, dog, or bird. This is done by comparing the final features to known patterns learned during training. Object detection goes a step further. It not only identifies objects but also pinpoints their locations in the image, like drawing a box around each object. This involves adding extra components to a basic CNN architecture. We train CNNs using massive datasets of images with labels. The network adjusts its filters and connections based on how accurately it classifies or locates objects. It's like giving the detectives more and more training cases to improve their skills. CNNs are used everywhere, from self-driving cars, object detection, to medical image analysis, cancer detection, to facial recognition. Their applications are vast and rapidly growing. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.